Yeah, good morning to one and all present here. My name is Dushyant. I'm explaining you about BRFplus, how we are going to do process using decision tables in it. First of all, we must use transaction code BRFplus in our login pad, and we will get this screen for the creation of BRFplus. Then first of all we must create our application. Go to create, give any naming conventions here. We will take as and short text. The short text will be displayed in the left side of our screen in my applications, which we find here. Next, the applications, the storage type, what we see the creation for local application. This is our package. If you don't want to give your package name, you can go for local object creation purpose. First of all, we created our application. After creating our application, first of all we must activate that application. Go to our application, save it and activate it. Okay, after creating of application, first of all you must go to create and go to data object. See, here we can find element and mass element creation. If you are going to have only one element, you can select element, or if you are going to create mass elements, means if you are going to create 3 or 4 elements, you can go for this thing. You can see here we can create our element names. Import 2 3 and output field. This which I have taken, I'm now going to add 2 fields and get the output in this. Okay, now we can see in the data object we got the elements in this. What's I have taken input as 2 fields, I'll get the output in this. Now we must go and edit and activate that fields. Repeat this process for everything. Okay, now go to create and go to expressions and go for formula, because we have taken the elements and we must make the addition. That's why we are going for formula. Take any naming conventions here. Short text, add, create. Now expression, formula, in this, go to edit. Here we got all the things. Now okay, here you can see the result data object, means which you find below the result. You must assign our elements here because we need to get the output here. Okay, go to output which we have created. Next, formula, you can come down, which you find the context. In context we are having so many things: name, description, string, numbers, amount, all the quality. Now which I am doing for this process, we will use data object. In this data object, if you are not finding our values, you can go for search and we can take this input value. Next, now we are doing addition operation. For the addition operation, we are taking this and repeat the same process for second thing. Now we have given our formula. Go to save and activate it. Okay, finish. Now last step, we are going for stimulate. Go 1 2 1 2, execute it. You got the value. Now see, now we have done addition purpose. Now we are going for decision table. Decision table means depending upon our output value, depending upon our output value, the decision table makes the decision and it gets the output. Now go to our element, create expression and decision table. Okay, make any naming convention, short text decision table. Okay, now we have done with decision table. Go to decision table, edit. Now first of all, here we can see condition columns and result columns. In condition columns we must go for a expression, because depending upon our output only we will take the decision. Next, in result column, depending upon the output we are getting after decision table makes the decision, you must display our routine, what we are going to display in our output. It's depending upon the result of output. Next, table, go to table contents and insert column, select in this our direct input value. See, here we can find all the things. Now I am taking is less than 50. If my output is less than 50, you will get this thing displayed. Here I am writing text less than 50. Now we are taking one more column and I am taking the direct input. If it is greater than 50, I am taking text greater than 50. Now save and activate it. Okay, stimulate, continue. If it is execute less than 50, now my output is less than 50. If it is more greater than 50, you will get output is execute is greater than 50. You can see it now. That's the process. Stimulate, continue, 34 and 45. Execute and display process in steps. Now here you can find, one second, the output, the input which you have given 34 and the input value 45. During the addition process we got the value as 79 in this operation. See, this is the steps we can see in debugging mode, which we have given context in the input values and output values. The decision table which we have given the row and column 1 and row 1, which take decisions depending upon our output value. It takes its, if the value is less than 50, it displays the description which you have given. If it is greater than 50, we can see here the description is displayed here. Thank you one and all for watching our video.